Okay, so now that we have VirtualBox download and install, and we have our Ubuntu ISO file downloaded, let's go ahead and install Ubuntu on this VirtualBox. So in VirtualBox, it's already open. Go to New. You'll see it as guided mode. You can go ahead and go in expert mode because you're a badass. And give it a name. You can call it whatever you want. Call it Ubuntu. It's a Linux. It's a 64-bit download. Very important right here is we're talking about memory. This is your RAM. On a Mac, to find out how much RAM you have, go to the Apple up here and do about this Mac. I know I have 16 gigs of RAM, and I will give this, oh, you have to at least give it 2 gigs of RAM because that's the requirements, the minimum. So let's go ahead and do that. So 2 gigs is 2048 megabytes. Create a virtual hard disk now. Go ahead and hit create. Now this is talking about file location. File location. Oh yeah, I see that one. All right, file size is basically the size of this virtual hard drive. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 32 gigs. Leave it VDI and dynamic and create. Boop, there it is. All right, and so next we need to actually start the installation. That was just kind of like the setup. All right, hit start, and as you can see, it already has it there because I did it previously. So go ahead and click this little button right here, this little green arrow and folder, and navigate to wherever you saved the Ubuntu ISO file. It's probably in downloads if you just downloaded it and didn't do anything with it so far. It's probably in downloads. I put mine in my USB over here. So go ahead and click it, hit open, and then start. All right, it's going to get started. It's going right now. Does mean you don't need this. Yeah, okay. Cool. Go ahead and make this. Ooh, didn't like that. All right, go ahead and hit click install Ubuntu. Download updates while installing because we have an internet connection. Hit continue. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry, you're not erasing your actual hard drive. It's talking about our virtual hard drive. So install now. It's saying if you continue, changes below will happen. It's saying it's going to partition that virtual disk and basically put the X4 format. That's the format that Ubuntu Linux goes on, and then it has some swap space on the hard drive for this virtual hard drive too. Cool. All right, and waiting. All right, Chicago. Yeah, that's Central Time. I don't know if I can. Yeah, whatever. It's Central Time. Continue. Keyboard layout, English. You know, if you need Korean, put Korean. If you need Arabic, put Arabic. If you need German, put German. Whatever. Continue. Name, just put a name, whatever name you want. Bob, Bobby, it's just all the same. Just put Bob, Bob. Put your password in. And then hit continue. Yes. Cool. And that's all you need. So it's installing right now. So you just kind of hurry up and wait. And when it's done, you'll have Ubuntu on your virtual machine. Next video, we'll probably check out how to run it from virtual machine. Probably just a simple click and everything, but you know. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video actually end the video, and I'll see you next time.